Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Fluency Table. We're so happy you're here.
Hi, I'm Animesh, and today we'll practice real English conversations together.
Have you ever wanted to speak English but didn't know how to start a conversation?
That happened to me too. I knew many English words, but starting a conversation felt difficult.
Don't worry. Today we'll practice together, one step at a time.
Instead of memorizing long lists, we'll learn through a real conversation.
Let's imagine we're meeting for the first time in a coffee shop.
Great idea! I'll start the conversation. Hello, I'm Animesh. It's nice to meet you.
Hello, Animesh. I'm Swapna. It's nice to meet you too. See? Starting a conversation can be simple and friendly.
Oh. Now it's your turn, everyone. Please repeat after us.
Please repeat after us.
Hello.
I'm Swapna. It's nice to meet you. Excellent! You're already speaking English.
Next, let's learn how to ask simple questions and keep the conversation going.
So, Animesh, how are you today? How are you doing today, Animesh?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How about you? How about you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I'm great, thanks for asking. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me.
Like you, repeat after me.
Hello, everyone. How are you? I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing great. I'm doing very Kamanas.
I'm doing very well, thank you. Excellent.
Now ask the other person the same question.
Now ask the other person same question. All right. Swapna, where are you from?
Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Kolkata, India. Where are you from?
Where are you from? I'm from Kolkata too. What a nice surprise. What a nice surprise.
What a nice surprise. If you're from another city or country, simply say where you're from. Now it's your turn. Where are you from?
Say your answer out loud. Fantastic! You're already having your first real conversation in English.
Great job! Next, we'll learn how to keep a conversation going by talking about hobbies.
Hobbies and interests.
We've introduced ourselves. What's a good question to ask next?
I like asking about hobbies. People usually enjoy talking about what they like.
That's a great idea. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading, watching football, and learning new things.
How about you? I enjoy reading too. I also like listening to music and in English.
I also like listening to music and practicing English. That's wonderful! It's always fun to discover things you have in common.
Now it's your turn. What do you like to do in your free time?
Say your answer out loud. Excellent! Every answer helps you become a more confident English speaker.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need to keep speaking. That's right.
Every conversation is another chance to improve.
Be curious. Ask questions, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation.
The more you practice, the more natural English will feel.
So keep going and you will see amazing progress. You're doing a great job. Keep practicing a little every day.
Welcome back to another episode.
Today we are diving into phrasal verbs. Welcome back. Let's quickly review what we've learned today.
Let's quickly review what we've reviewed. Today, you practiced greeting someone, asking simple questions, and keeping a conversation going.
Remember, confidence grows every time you speak English.
Let's try one more short conversation together.
That's one more short conversation or the Tyler's caller today.
Hello, I'm Animesh. It's nice to meet you.
Hi Animesh, I'm Swapna. It's nice to meet you too. How are you today?
How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I'm great, thanks. See? A simple conversation can help you build confidence. Today, we have a speaking challenge for you.
Start a short conversation with someone.
Remember to speak with confidence.
Hello! Don't worry about making mistakes. Every conversation helps you improve.
Tell us in the comments, who will you practice English with this week?
Next time, we'll learn how to talk about your daily routine using simple English.
If today's lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing a little every day and you'll become more confident in English.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.
Welcome back to the Fluency Table.
Today we're sharing tips.
Practice is definitely key.
See you next time.
Bye-bye everyone.